You check your bank account, it's the 20th of the month, and somehow you're already broke. Again. You tell yourself, next month I'll save more. But next month comes and nothing changes. Here's the thing. What if I told you saving $10,000 in a year isn't about earning more money, it's about thinking differently about the money you already have? My name is Marcus, and I spend way too much time thinking about how normal people can build real financial security. If you're someone who feels like your salary is too small to save anything meaningful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, most people think saving $10,000 means you need a high-paying job. That's just not true. Here's what most people don't realize. $10,000 a year is about $833 a month. Break that down further, it's roughly $27 a day. Now you might be thinking, Marcus, I don't even have $27 left at the end of the day. Exactly. That's the problem. According to studies from sources like the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average person spends hundreds every month on non-essentials, food delivery, subscriptions, impulse buys. This is where it gets really interesting. Saving money isn't about cutting everything, it's about replacing habits. For example, $10 daily food delivery, cook at home, save $300 a month. 3 unused subscriptions, save $50 a month. Random impulse spending is easily $200 a month. That's already $550 a month without increasing your income. Here's the psychological shift. Stop asking, can I afford this? Start asking, is this worth delaying my $10,000 goal? Because every $20 you spend today is $20 stolen from your future. And here's where most people fail. Consistency. Saving $833 once is hard. Saving $27 every single day, that's discipline. So here's your plan. Track every dollar. Cut what doesn't matter. Automate your savings.